si Jenna. Okay. So, gumawa kami ng video kasi bored kami. Lakas mo yung boses mo ha, para narinig.
Bored.
Bored!
Hindi ako bored.
Bored.
I'm not bored.
Ayun.
Siya.
So, gumawa kami ng video
Para sa kanya. Para sa kanya.
It was like this. Oh my God!
Kakantay ko siya best para sa'yo. Tonight, creeping up like tick-tock.
I'm trying to keep you in my hand, but if not, we've been running from tomorrow with our lips locked. Yeah. Begging, baby, please don't go. If I wake up tomorrow, will you still be here? I don't know. If I wake up, I do.
Oh my
Feel
God.
if I'm gonna find you. Please don't go. Baby, please don't go. Baby, please don't go. Okay, so this segment is about a guy I really liked. Ay, hindi pala like, love pala. Tumanong dong.
Pakita na yung last. Super. Pakita na. Yeah! O, diba? Oh. Yeah, parang Emily Rose lang.
Kiko. Kaso nga lang ang pangit kasi yung K,
Naging tatlo yung lines na, ewan ko anong alphabet na
I, K,
yun.
O. Pero kapag makikita nyo yung K,
Oh my God, super lucky.
yes. Ayun. So, hindi siya, I'm not proud of it. I'm not.
Tangay.
Dumating lang talaga sa point na
Sorry for the word.
hindi ko
Hindi
na
niya nakaya.
nakayanan.
Yan, super hard
Ayun.
to siya.
Tapos,
Kaya yung ginawa niya.
kaya nga. So, sa mga manonood nito, sorry.
Huwag gayahin.
Huwag gayahin!
Masakit!
Huwag gayahin. Kasi masakit siya. As in. Alam mo ba yung
Na-try
blade?
niya na.
Yung blade pa.
Pakita mo yung nasa tissue.
Ay, yung tissue, oo.
Yung tissue.
So, I just did this last night. Last night ko lang siya ginawa.
Actually, sa tabi ko.
Kiko.
Cool.
Diba, ayun. So, ito kasing Kiko. Madaming Kiko sa mundo ha. Just so you know, madaming Kiko. Madaming nangangarang Francis, okay?
Maraming kiko pero nag-iisa siyang love.
Ayun.
Iiyak na yan! Ayaw niya.
Wala na.
Change the... Wala na. Iyak niya mamaya pagkatapos itong video. Maglalabas siya ng sama ng loob!
Instead, I feel the sun creeping up like tick-tock. I'm trying to keep you in my hand, but if not, just keep running from tomorrow on your lips like, yeah, you got me begging, baby, please don't go. Favorite song niya kasi daw to. Hoy! Pangit! Favorite song ko din to.
Ginaya naman niyo.
Hindi, favorite song ko talaga siya.
Sabi na, bakit ikaw na ba yung favorite ito?
Baby, please.
Like crazy.
Ayun, so we're just doing this kasi nga bored din kami.
Bored
At saka, wala nga kami maisip na segment. Bale, ayun nga,
Pick up na lang!
later. Second video.
Anong video? May second video!
Ayun. So, sa mga taong kilala kaming dalawa. Mga taong kilala kaming dalawa. Sorry talaga. Kasi nga super bored kami. And bored people do crazy stuff. Sorry. Wait. Ayun na. So, for the last, ang pangit niya talaga. Oh. Okay lang niya, maganda naman yung yung ginawa niya. Gumawa kasi. Oh, for the last,
Maganda yung ginawan. Pamangit yung
pangit
kamay.
siya.
Baby, please don't run away. Tomorrow, I'll stay running. Tomorrow, I'll stay running. I'll stay running. From tomorrow, please don't go. If I wake up tomorrow, will you still be here? I don't know. It's like the way I do. Like the times you like to please don't go, 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 go. Baby, please don't go, 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 go. Baby, please don't go, 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 go. Baby, please don't. Baby, please don't. Baby, please don't run away.
Broken!
Oh.
Thank you guys for watching. Kung gusto nyo mag-subscribe, go ahead. Kung ayaw nyo, okay lang. This is just for
fun.
fun.
Boring.
Boring kasi.
Fun.
Thank you, mama chup chup.
Bakit?